lack of proper maintenance and poor planning, major mold infestation, water leakage, and the non-functioning of critical services are just a few major problems with the health and safety of government offices and buildings. The Financial Complex building and the Ministerial Complex, the Ministry of Education building, and several schools and medical facilities are among those adversely affected. Prime Minister Dickon Mitchell, during his budget presentation on Monday, said that some of these buildings are not fit for human occupation.
Some of these buildings are not fit for human occupation. Compounding the situation is the fact that a comprehensive listing of all government assets does not exist, including the buildings that the state owns. The current state of government buildings is not only affecting the health and safety of our workers and citizens, but has also become a contributor to low productivity in the workplace. Mr. Speaker, our workers and citizens deserve better.
A rough estimate suggests that government will need about $200 million to tackle this problem, given the huge fiscal costs and the need to keep government up and running. The Prime Minister outlined a three-step approach to solving the occupational safety and health issue they are currently confronting.
1. A major project targeting the rehabilitation and modernization of government buildings, including the incorporation of climate-smart and renewable energy technologies. Government is pleased to report that the World Bank has agreed in principle to provide US $30 million in highly concessional funding to support the work needed to address the renovation and improvement of public buildings. Work on the financial complex, Mr. Speaker, will start next year. 2. Greater use of technology and the use of flexible approaches to work, including remote work. 3. Rental of office space, where other approaches are not feasible. Mr. Speaker, as it stands, government spends more than $3.5 million in the rental of office spaces. Unavoidably, this cost will increase in the next few years before we are able to bring it down.
Aside from the strategy to address the OSH matter, the NDC administration will develop a comprehensive registry of government assets and mobilize additional financial resources through public-private partnership to modernize and better manage government's assets moving forward. For GBN News, I am Rena Thomas reporting.